In this video, I will show you how to send money to Pakistan using TapTap Send. So to do this, open up the TapTap Send app and then click on the country that it's currently set to. So for me it's Bangladesh, and once you click on it, this drop down will appear. From here, scroll down until you see Pakistan. Then go and click on it right here. Now choose how much you would like to send to your recipient in Pakistan. For example, I will say 10,000 Pakistani rupees. Then after doing that, you can enter the promo code you see under the next button to get a €5 bonus. Then click next. And now here click add new recipient. Now choose how you would like the recipient to receive the money. So Easy Paysa, Jazz Cash, bank account or cash pickup. I will go with bank account. Then here enter their details, including which bank they use, their full name and their IBAN. Then after entering this, click next, and you will need to follow a few more steps where you need to enter some more details, such as your own payment details that you want to use to pay for the transfer. After entering all of that, you will get an overview, so make sure that everything is correct, and if it is, go and pay for it, and then the money will be on its way to Pakistan. So now you know how to send money to Pakistan using TapTap Send. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.